United States issued its first passport with X gender marker. The United States has issued its first passport with an X gender recognition, a milestone in the recognition of the right of people who do not identify as male or female and accepted to be able to offer the option more broadly next year, the State Department said Wednesday. The US Special Diplomatic Envoy of LGBT rights, Jesse Stern, called the moves historic and celebratory, say they bring the government documents in line with the lived reality that there is a wider spectrum of human sex characteristics than is reflected in the previous two designations. When a person obtains identify documents that reflect their true identity, they live with greater dignity and respect, Stern said. The department did not announce to whom the passport was issued. A department official declined to say whether it was from Facebook watched as Trump ignited hate. The report of hateful and violent posts on Facebook started pouring in on the night of May 28 last year. Soon after then, President Donald Trump sent a warning on social media that looters in Minneapolis would be shot. It had been 3 days since Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin killed on neck George Floyd for more than 8 minutes until the 46-year-old black man lost consciousness, showing no sign of life. A video taken by bystander had been viewed millions of times. Online protest had taken over Minnesota, largest city, and would soon spread throughout cities across America. But it was until after Trump posted about Floyd's death that the report of violence and hate speech increased rapidly on Facebook across the country. An internal company analysis of the ex-president social media post reveals these thugs are these warning of memory of George Floyd, and I won't let the happen. Trump wrote at 9 on May 28 from his Twitter and Facebook account. Any difficulty and we will assume control, but when the shooting start. The former president has since been suspended from both Twitter and Facebook. COVID test result may vary based on time of day study. The test sensitivity of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, may vary based on the time of the day and the our body biological clock according to a study. The research published in the Journal of Biological Rhythms on Tuesday found the people were up to 2 times as likely to have a acute positive test result if they tested in the middle of the day compared to it right. The findings support of the hypothesis that COVID acts differently in the body based on natural circadian rhythm, which has also been implied by studies of other viral and bacterial infections. The research said PTI tracking virus nation death. Pak Islamic Party supported clash with police, 8 killed. At least 8 persons, including 4 policemen, were killed on Wednesday in fresh clashes between support of a radical Islamic Party and police in Pakistan. Punjab. province after the Imran Khan government failed to meet their demand to release party chief Said Rizvi and special to French Novi. More than 10,000 supporters of the Vihand Tehrik Lab Bek Pakistan, who had been camping between Madrid and Gurjanwala along the GT road of the last 3 days on Wednesday, started marching toward Islamabad after Pakistan Tehreek Insaf government resident cannot meet the TLP demand of expulsion of the French ambassador. TLP founder led Karim Rizvi on Saad Rizvi has been detained by the Punjab government since after April under the maintenance of public order. Following the party's protest against the blasphemous Islamic prophet published in French and demand that the French ambassador be sent back and imports from the country be banned. Hiroshima survivor Tsuboy died at 96. Tokyo. Sunao Tsuboy, and survivor of the Hiroshima atomic bombing, who made opposing nuclear weapon the message of his life, including at a meeting with then US President Barack Obama in 2016, has died. He was 96. Russia to probe Dutch discussion of Crimean gold. Russian investigators said Wednesday they will probe a Dutch court decision to transfer a priceless collection of Crimean gold to Ukraine. A ruling held by Kyiv a victory over Moscow. An Amsterdam court ruled this week that the pieces, dubbed Askyden gold and loaned to the city large prison museum just before Moscow annexed Crimea in 2014, should be handed over the Ukraine. The Netherlands made a discussion to please the political situation. Russia investigative committee said in a statement, adding that the collection had been stored for decades in Crimean museums. It said it had instructed investigators in the Russian-controlled peninsula to organize a probe on the fact of non-return of cultural items belonging to Republic. China new land boundary law can damage ties India. The Indian government on Wednesday expressed concern and strongly criticized China a new land boundary law, terming it as unilateral decision that can have implications of existing bilateral arrangements on border management as well as on the boundary question, and urged Beijing to avoid undertaking any action under the pretext of his law. They could unilateral after the situation in the India-China border crisis. New Delhi also said to passage of the new Chinese law cannot legitimize to so-called China-Pakistan boundary arrangement of 1963, which India has always maintained in a illegal and invalid agreement. Pointed out the new Chinese law passed last Saturday state that China avoid by trans consulted with John Lee asset.